Okay, so my main form still looks the same. I haven't done anything with my main form. But on my second form, I have added a See Current Year button. So when it comes out to the second form, it'll say your age is, and then I could click on the See Current Year button here, and it'll show the current year in here. So I'm going to go to this event. Now, first thing I need to do is put my constant in for year. I can't use the one from the other form. This form is different from that form. Even though it's a class level variable, it's just in the main form class, so I have to do it again. And then I'm going to put the year in my label. Okay. All right, so let's just run it and see what it does. Calculate age. I can also choose See Current Year, and it'll say 2011, and I can say See Current Year on this form. It'll do the same. So now I have the same constant on my main form as I have in my second form. Now, since these are in the same project, it's probably not ideal to have two different occurrences of the same thing. And that's what a module is used for. A module is just a place where you can put code that will be shared amongst everything in the project. And there's no design that goes with it. You would just put variables, constants, functions, or procedures. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to take constant in year out of here. Okay. I'm going to take it out of my main form as well, and I'm going to put that statement in a module. The way you create a module is you choose add new item, right? Or I think you can, under project, you could choose add new item. So either way, I'm going to choose a module, and I'm going to say add. And you'll see it over here, right, on my Solution Explorer. Again, it's just a place to put code. So I go between the beginning of the module and the end, and I enter my code, which is just this. Okay. Now, if I go back to my main form, you'll see year has a squiggly line under it. There's a problem. And if I go back to the second form, the same thing. And the only problem is this. Once you put it in here, it is private to the module. So we need to put the word public in front of it, and that means everybody's going to have access to it. So if I go to my main form, right, it looks like it's working now. I go to my second form, it looks like it's working. I'm going to run this. All right, I can see the current year. I can see the current year. So both forms have access to the information that's stored in this module. There we go. Now again, I put a constant in here, but they're not limited to constants. You could put variables, you can put functions, you can put procedures. Now if you wanted to accumulate a sum over a couple of different forms, you could declare that sum here inside of the main module. And so as you add to it, it will be updated throughout your program.